Hi, welcome to the Tech Judge Show. My name is Rahim and this is the unboxing and review segment of the show where we give a breakdown of the latest gadgets on the market from how they work to what makes them tick. And today we'll be unboxing the Tecno Camon X Pro, the latest handset in the Tecno Camon series. Tecno is proving time and time again that they can play with the big boys such as Apple, Samsung and HTC. From fingerprint to facial recognition, Tecno has really come a long way from the kind of phones we recall and hated, to be seriously honest, and of course affordable. Now here we have the Tecno Camon X Pro box. On the left hand side we have a black seal to guarantee legitimacy of the product. We're presented with a stunning 6-inch full display of the Tecno Camon X Pro, which of course borrows the 16:9 aspect ratio here. The box will pop up at the bottom. Now in this box we have a SIM card tray, ejector pin. When you open this up, a Tecno warranty and a bunch of user manuals plus the boom play manual there. Now Tecno this year decided to go with a hard case, which I must say actually feels nice in the grip. It's rough, so you can't actually drop it easily, and the whole 360 build of it protects the camera at the front and at the back, plus giving a provision for the fingerprint sensor here. We have the two accessories here, the earphones and the charger. The earphones are generic from Tecno, produced by Tecno as you can see here with the label, and stereo. The charger, which is a USB 3.0 cable. And then lastly, you have the charger, which is not only a charger, but it's a fast charger which can get you battery within an hour or an hour and a half. The Tecno Camon X Pro has got a full HD and a stunning IPS LCD display, which of course is more prone to scratches, but still has a Gorilla Glass, which is helpful, especially when you drop your phone. And the 16:9 screen ratio, pumped up with a 2160x1080 pixel density, gives it a nice feel even under low light. The processor type is an octa-core 2.0 GHz MediaTek Helio P23 processor, packed with a 4 GB RAM to take you through daily tasks and also a couple of games. Tecno this year is only giving you an option of a 64 GB variant of internal storage, but look at it on the bright side. It still gives you the option to expand your memory to up to 188 GB with a micro SD card. And of course the major highlight of this phone, which is the camera. The rear camera comes with 16 megapixels and a quad ring flash. The quad ring flash allows you to adjust the brightness around you. So whether in low light, you have 4 flashes to actually get you the perfect lighting for that perfect picture. And for the front camera, we have a stunning 24 megapixel with a dual LED flash, which actually allows for face recognition even in low lighting. With the stunning 16 megapixel back camera, you can shoot a stunning 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Hope you enjoyed the show. Be sure to drop a like and follow on our social media platforms, check out our latest blogs, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahim. See you next time.